Hi everyone. So I'd like to show a little update on a project that I've been working on, and this is actually just an intermediate step in the entire project, so there's still a bit more to go for this. So right here is just an Arduino library that I've been working on, and it's called Promulgate. That's a synonym for communication or something like that. And all that the library does is just some communication related tasks. So it parses a message, and then it's able to also send out messages, and as well as do some callback functions and also some core actions. Its main purpose is to be able to add communication really quickly and easily to any of your Arduino projects. So it's meant to be really simple. And this is basically what the communication would look like. So an example payload. So this here is an action specifier. Here's a command. This is a key, then comma separated by a value, and then an end delimiter. There's only a few action specifiers, and this one is specifically for when it's replying to something. Usually the reply would be in response to a question mark delimiter, and then those are the three delimiters. So to test out Promulgate, I set up this sort of contraption, I guess. So basically there's a unit A, so using an Arduino, and it's attached to the computer, and it also has an XBee on it. It will be receiving commands from the computer and then also transmitting some commands out through the XBee, which is where Unit B will be listening with its XBee, and then it can also display some messages on its LCD. So what this looks like in reality is here's Unit A. This is also something that I've been working on. And here's Unit B. So in Unit A, there is an Arduino Pro Mini inside of here as the main controller, and it's resting on top of one of the RoboBird breakout boards for that. Quick resistor board for the LED resistors, and there's also a quick voltage divider board back there, you can't really see it, and then of course there's the XBee, and it's all wrapped inside of this nice brand new 3D printed chassis that I've been designing for RoboBird. For Unit B, it's using the original RoboBird kit brain board, an LCD with a Spikenzie Labs message pump through hole, so I can just write messages to the LCD from serial. And there's also an XBee attached through. These are both attached through software serial. So yeah. Alright, so let's actually view this demo in action. And so here's Unit A, we're connecting, and here's Unit B, connecting. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to try is sending this payload. And as you can see on Unit B, it just displays the message on the LCD screen. And it does this because that's what its default behavior is to do whenever it receives that sort of payload. Basically just this. So the next one is one where it's going to actually Unit A will forward this message out through its XBee, and then the unit B will receive it, and then it will send something back based off of what it was programmed to do. And what it's sent back to do for Unit A is turn on the LEDs to be purple. Yay! Okay, so that's pretty simple. And then just to show that it can compare the keys as well, then we'll send it. And it just made a sound. Hopefully you were able to hear it. So what all of this is for eventually to attach to a Bluetooth Low Energy board, and then I will be able to upgrade or improve RoboBird Dance so that it's more modular, so that I can make more apps that use the same sort of API with RoboBird. And it's just taken a while to organize all of the info into like something that's really simple for, you know, everyone to use without like reading a whole gigantic file of code to understand something, but also make it have it able to have a lot of options, enough to do all of the things that I would eventually want to do in future apps. And of course there is the capability, I guess I could create a Bluetooth Low Energy to XB bridge so that then all of the apps could communicate through an XB and then just go to swarming robots or mesh robots, you know, whatever. So, yet another funny saga in mesh robot land. Yeah, I've always been entertained by mesh robots, and hopefully this is a starting point on more of them. Or maybe I'll become confused by it again and have to restart, but I don't think so, not this time, because this time it's simple, but yet you can do a lot of stuff with it. Okay, so that's that for now. Thanks for watching if you've watched this long mini update, and hopefully I'll have more projects about this soon.